Hello guys, and welcome you to my channel as Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafiu, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys a quick way to remove any background of your image or your photo without losing the quality of the picture, doing it online without any software. That's what I'm going to show you in this video. So if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe and click on the notification bell so whenever I upload content you get notified you watch the video. And lastly but not least, if you have a question for me as far as today's tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. I'll be glad to reply to whatsoever question you might have for me. So let's get started. So the website we're going to use to remove the background of any image is what we call remove.eg. Okay. So when you open up the site, the next thing you have to do is to come here, click on upload image. Then you need to look for where you have the image from your desktop. So this can also be performed using your mobile phone. So this is the image I'm going to remove the background. Click on open. So within a few seconds, it's going to prepare the image and remove the background completely without any stress and without losing the quality of the picture. So let's check out the results. Alright guys, so you can see the background of this image has been successfully removed. The next thing you have to do is to click on download now. So it has been downloaded. So let me click on it and see the picture. So you can see that the background of this image has been removed completely without losing anything, without losing the quality of this image. So let me quickly show you the raw file of this particular picture. So this is the raw file here. So you can see the raw file. So this is the raw file. This is after I removed the background. This is before and this is after. You can see that nothing was lost as far as quality is concerned. So guys, this is how you remove the background image of how you remove any background image of your photo using the website I just showed you without any stress. All you have to do is to watch the step-by-step I did in this video and see how you get it done without any stress. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.